Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. In today's video, we're gonna do Trader Joe's fettuccine with mushrooms. It's really straightforward. All you need is 2 tablespoons of water and this bag. Let's go to work. Here's what the bag looks like. Just your standard Trader Joe's frozen pasta bag. Here's the back, the front again. All right, let's go make lunch. Cook on high for 2 minutes. All right, it's cooking. It's looking way better now. We got about 2.5 minutes to go. All right, we're gonna move this around one more time. Make sure it's cooked all the way through. It looks good. All right, it looks cooked. It looks good. We're gonna go this way. All right. So we go from here to here. And this is our Trader Joe's fettuccine mushrooms. Looks good. Looks good, smells very mushroomy. Here we go. Beautiful. Trader Joe's fettuccine with mushrooms. Beautiful mushroomy flavor. Smells like it's full of fresh mushrooms. Can't wait to try it. All right, here we go, guys. Trader Joe's fettuccine mushrooms. Ooh, if you love mushrooms, this is you. I love mushrooms, I love pasta, so I know I'm gonna enjoy this dish, but if you like mushrooms, this one's definitely for you. Total of 7 minutes. High heat, covered with lid on. 2 tablespoons of water. This is beautiful. It tastes great. Mushrooms come through, the flavor, but not overpowering. Pasta's cooked perfect. Trader Joe's fettuccine mushroom, 5 out of 5. I got nothing else to say. Beautiful dish. Buy it. Trader Joe's delivers again. 5 out of 5. That's it. It's if you like mushrooms, if you like pasta, you're gonna like this. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.